Hi everyone, welcome to Provisual Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily set up and showcase your design using Provisual and 3D models. Let's navigate to the 3D Models section and select an object for our tutorial. The library contains a vast variety of high-quality 3D models, and it gets updated weekly. In this tutorial, we will learn how to customize a cardboard box 3D model. Let's select one of the models that suits us from the library. This corrugated cardboard box is what we need. Let's take a closer look at it. What a great model. Let's create a new project. This is what the default model looks like. Let's turn off drop shadow to fine-tune our 3D model. The initial box material looks great. Let's change its color. You can either select or customize the color using the color palette, or enter the color code manually, like this. Now let's reduce the texture of the cardboard a little bit. We can do it in the material settings. Great. Now let's go to the duct tape and change the material. In the materials library, we will pick the material. This one will do. Now let's rotate the model a little to adjust the texture and highlights on the material more accurately. Let's make the material smoother. Great. The material has become more glossy as well. Next, let's move on to the inner side and also change the color of the material. Great. The box is ready. Now let's go to the Environment tab. Here, we will adjust the lighting to give our box more dimension. Great. Let's add some design to our model. To add the design, you can click on the Add Design button on the Design Layers panel. You can also download a UV map and create your design in another editor. I've already prepared some images for our pack. Let's add the first design element. In this window, we see the editor where we can move and modify our design. See how, in the left window, the position of our design on the 3D model is displayed in real time. Great. Saving the design. The next step is to add sticker designs to ensure our package reaches its destination. Great. Let's save the design now. Currently, our stickers have a cardboard texture. Let's change the material to make the stickers so that they stand out. Let's select the design layer to activate it. Now let's change the material. In the settings, we will even out the material. Excellent. Let's slightly adjust the material of another design layer. Perfect. Now our box is all set for delivery. Let's add a fun background for our cardboard box. Let's see what types of pre-made backgrounds we have available. We can choose a solid fill as the background, or we can go for a gradient fill. Here, we can select the desired colors and also set the direction of the fill, linear or radial. You can also pick one of the pre-designed backgrounds that we've prepared for you, or add your own image. Let's add one. Excellent. You can turn on moving lights to see how the light can enhance the shape and texture of the 3D model. You can also rotate the 3D model to see how the design looks in motion. Let's save our project now. After you've completed your design, you can share it by clicking the Share button. You'll get a shareable link to open the interactive viewer with your 3D model. Send it over to your colleagues, friends, or clients. And this is the end of our tutorial on creating a corrugated cardboard box design. We hope this has been helpful for you. See you in the upcoming tutorials.